Okay. I got
I'll
it.
do this instead of this, okay?
Yeah.
Because this is sample, we have another trade show, we have to display it.
Okay. Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
Put the jaw inside.
Yep.
Okay.
And you just did this right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. And so what is that? What does that do?
It's for connection.
Oh, for connecting it. Got it.
Like two copper pipe, you want to connect them.